Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fry Trades. Today, we're going to be building another Minecraft Transformer here, and we're going to be building Shattered Glass Hot Rod. And this is just a recolor of our previous Transformers Hot Rod build in a black and purple color scheme. And if you don't know, Shattered Glass is like an alternate universe where everyone's colored differently and the Autobots are evil. So this is like an evil version of Hot Rod. So this is what it looks like here. Now let's get right into it. French Fry Trades is a channel for adult railvans and Minecrafters and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you and enjoy the video. So we're going to start off with the front wheel, so take out a block of coal and place that down, and we're going to put a stone button on the outside edge. On the inside edge, put 3 polished black stone top slabs like this, then another block of coal and a stone button on this side. On the front of it, do 2 rows of 5 polished black stone top slabs, and on the very front, 5 dark oak trapdoors here. Then we'll come behind this and come off this wheel, and we'll do a line of 5 polished black stone top slabs coming back, and just bring this across 5 wide to the other side, so 5 by 5. Behind this, 3 top slabs in the middle, then a block of coal here and here for the back wheels. Put a stone button on the side of each back wheel, and on the very back, do 2 rows of 5 top slabs here. Now the base is done, and we're going to come back up on top of the front end here. On the second block back up here, do 5 forward-facing polished flagstone stairs, and on the very front, 2 smooth stone slabs here and here, polished blackstone slab in the middle. Then behind this, on each outer edge, we're going to put a single black concrete on either side. Above the wheel, an upside-down polished blackstone stair, facing outward on either side. Then we're going to do 5 black concrete down the side, 5 on this side, and again an upside down outward facing polished blackstone stair above each back wheel. Across the back, we're just going to do 2 rows of 5 black concrete here. On the very back, put a backward facing polished tough stair here and here. And now we'll come back up to the front once again. Up here on the inside of the front, put a black concrete here and here, a purple concrete in the center. Behind it, put 2 purple concrete coming back on either side, and 2 blast furnaces in the middle. On the front blast furnace, we're going to crouch and put either a player head or a heavy core. Behind this, turn around, put a dark oak fence gate here for the steering wheel, a lever here. Then we're going to put a dark oak stair here and here, a dark oak trapdoor in the middle. Behind the stairs, just fill this all in a 3x3 of black concrete. Then we'll come back up here. Now take red stained glass panes right behind this heavy core because he has red windshield, and go 3 wide in the middle of stained glass panes. Behind that, we're going to switch to red stained glass blocks, and we're going to do a 3x3 in the middle of stained glass blocks here. Then come down to the very back, and we're going to put 3 dark oak trapdoors in the middle right here, 3 backward facing polished blackstone stairs behind it, and 2 rows of 3 black concrete in the middle right there. Then on this outer edge, aligned with the stairs, a dark oak trapdoor, 3 polished blackstone slabs, 2 trapdoors. Repeat on this side. So right here, a trapdoor, 3 polished blackstone slabs, 2 trapdoors. Then on top of the back of the glass, we're going to do a T-shape of dark oak trapdoors like this, and behind it put 1 trapdoor on either side. Then take out smooth stone slabs on the top middle and put 3 slabs here. Then we're going to do 3 here so they come back like this, and 3 on this side. Then on this outer edge, we're going to add 2 here, and then 2 here, and then we're going to come out again on the back and go 1 here and then back 1. And same thing on that side, 1 here and back 1, and there's the spoiler. On this sprung corner, we're going to add a stone button on the side here, and then 1 on this side here. Behind the wheel, put a single crimson sign, then a birch fence gate, and behind the fence gate on this second layer, a row of stone brick walls, and we're going to stick back by 1 like this on the back. And then repeat that on this side, of course. So right behind the wheel, a crimson sign, birch fence gate, row of stone brick walls, and come 1 block past this black concrete for the exhausts. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Transformers Shattered Glass Hot Rod and car mode. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. I didn't really have a lot of time today, so we had to do a quick recolor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.